The challenge: disconnected learning. The primary hurdle in safety management is ensuring training actually reaches the right people and addresses specific operational risks. Without integration, training becomes a check-the-box exercise rather than a tool for mitigating hazards. Training management in practice. Strategic planning. Organize training by SMS pillars to bridge specific safety gaps. You can define target audiences, attach necessary documentation, and set clear training dates. Targeted distribution. Instead of mass emailing, assign modules to specific recipient groups, e.g., flight crew or maintenance, or individual users for precision. Automated accountability, TTD. Once a session is scheduled, it automatically populates the user's things to do, TTD, module. This ensures the deadline is visible and tracked until completion. Knowledge validation. Beyond just viewing material, the system features a dedicated tests and quizzes module to formally verify that the safety concepts have been mastered. By linking training directly to the user's daily task list, the app transforms safety education from a static file into an actionable, measurable workflow.